kiddos! Learn English with Teacher Kate. I am joining Mestru in his YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about antonyms. What is antonyms? These are words that have opposite meanings. Again, these are words that have opposite meanings. Let us take a look at these examples. Below, above. Below, above. Before, after. Before, after. Bad, good. Bad, good. Big, small. Big, small. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Close, open. Close, open. Cold, hot. Cold, hot. True, false. True, false. Full, hungry. Full, hungry. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Soft, hard. Soft, hard. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Tall, short. Tall, short. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. First, last. First, last. Cry, laugh. Cry, laugh. Long, short. Long, short. Love, hate. Love, hate. On, off. On, off. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. Win, lose. Win, lose. Down, up. Down, up. Full, empty. Full, empty. Sweet, bitter. Sweet, bitter. Young, old. Young, old. Thin, thick. Thin, thick. Strong, weak. Strong, weak. Left, right. Left, right. bottom, top, bottom, top. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for the upcoming videos. Keep reaching for the stars.